Wow. You know, when I first saw this online on social media, right away I knew I wanted this mini lifter.
It's amazing it takes us so long to really think about how we can save wear and tear on our body using PDR. We are constantly putting our body and joints in stress. Like the adjustable handles and ratchets, why can't our tools help us? Meet Rite from PrecisionPDRTools.com. A unique lifter that works like a handshake, no weird angles while squeezing or awkward motions. Just an exceptional grip you don't have to think about. With a firm dial above, solid form-fitted shaft for your inside palm, and the squeeze handle in front, it's an ergonomical feel and design is a definite win. Under 2 pounds, this unique mini lifter works even better than design. The pull power is quite awesome, and when it's in the hands of a professional PDR tech, you'll get impressive results consistently. You can spin the feet, or when you sit it down, turn the base to ensure perfect adjustment and grip at all times. The loose feet, designed that way on purpose, are a firm covered rubber. Going back to the base, you'll want a grip like shown, and not the other way around, or you'll find your skin being pinched without a doubt. All in all, this is very impressive.
It is one of the coolest things I've ever had as far as a mini lifter. I haven't seen anything different come out besides the Robo Lifter from Kiko. And this is kind of, in a way, similar, but different, way different. And so I'm going to kind of go down the features all the way down from the top down to the feet, and then we will give you my thoughts. Now the dial, well, first of all, it's about a little bit between £1.5 and £2 pounds, less than 2 pounds. Just put it that way, okay? Not heavy at all. It feels fantastic in your hand. The dial, solid, nice turns very, very, very good. It's connected with a piece right here that connects the trigger. The trigger feels very good too as well. I don't see any problems with that. Very good snap. It's got a good length width, so when you are squeezing it, you don't hear any clicks like cheaper mini lifters have. Reacts very well, and it feels comfortable in the hand is on that area too. You turn it around, and this is where your palm, inside of your palm goes. That's where you make the contact. I do have to let you guys know that this trigger, you're not going to pull it or squeeze it from here. Your fingers pull or squeeze, they squeeze from here, not here. The reason why is, another reason why is if your skin between your index finger and the thumb go between here, you are going to pinch the crap out of yourself, and that is not going to feel very good. So turn it around here. And as you've been seeing, that I've been able to rotate this all the way around. That's a really, really cool feature. And you can swing it from here if you want. So regardless of how you want to place the feet or rotate how the angle of how you're going to squeeze it. So you have 2 options built in one. So that's cool. So you can place the feet, and then once you place the feet, you can actually control the angle of how you're going to squeeze it. Now there is a tension thread right here, our little Allen screw in there, and you can control. This is a 2mm Allen, and just by turning it a little bit, you can have a little bit more tension. I like that tension, so it's not going to spin around as loose as it was. So I have it set about like that. You do have a horseshoe adapter that comes into, it's not an adapter, it comes standard like that. They are working on a pass-through adapter or a pass-through option, so I don't know which one they're doing, but they're already working on that because I did mention that. Other than that, I mean, it's built really well. The feet they come loose. I personally like the feet loose like that. Some of you guys won't like that, but you can always tighten that and control that as well. The feet are kind of like the silver Kiko lifter, the traditional one. Solid, good thick rubber on there. You still will have to be careful though when you are across a rail or there's a body line there. I would just watch out for that you don't cause any more dents. Now let's get to the reason why this lifter was created this way. How you hold it. It feels amazing. It feels great. There's no uncomfortableness to it. It feels really, really natural. Like I said, if you notice though, my wrist is and my elbow are pretty much straight, and the space between the panel and how I'm grabbing it is the same as well. I'm not up like this or like this. This is very, very good. Even no matter which way the angle you have, the wrist is staying straight, which is super important because that's how you're going to develop carpal tunnel. So, do I like it? Heck yes. Another thing, how does it pull? Well, it pulls amazing. Let me just say that. Does it pull better than your traditional mini lifters? I don't think it pulls any better, and it definitely doesn't pull any worse. It does pull accurate, let's just put it that way. And it feels natural, as I mentioned. Well, I can't even put it down a lot. It's definitely a win in my book because it's just so natural to hold. It's very, very comfortable, very easy to set up, very easy to get it going and work it the way you want. It's got a lot of options on here, and what can I say? All around, this thing is made amazingly well.